What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Sukuna from Jujutsu Kaisen. Let's begin today's lesson by adding some guidelines to help with the symmetry of our drawing. We're going to start by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. So we'll start from the very top. Just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom using these short lines. Now in the center, let's draw another line going across from left to right. Now we're going to use these two lines to help us create a circle along the top of our page. So from the center, let's step up. It's going to mark off the top of our circle. And then we want to take that same distance from the center down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Let's repeat that across this horizontal line. So taking the distance from the center over towards the left and then the right. Now we want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. So we're just going to rough this in. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to get the rough size and placement along the center of our page. Let's move out to the side of our circle, draw another line coming straight down towards the bottom of our page. And then from the bottom of our circle, draw another line going across from left to right. Now that we have our circle and guidelines, we're going to start blocking out the basic facial features. Let's start by marking off the inside corner of the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center, start over on the left. Just going to draw a straight line coming down. Let's take that same distance towards the right and do the same thing. Now from this point, we're going to step out. Just going to angle the eye coming down and then in on both sides. Let's go to the outside, step in, come down and then in. And draw a straight line coming down and in towards the inside of the eyes. Let's go back to that top point, angle the eyebrows, going up and then out. Now along the top, we're going to draw two small circles for the pupils. So we'll start on the left and then the right side. Now from the inside of the eyebrows, we're going to work our way around the outside of the nose. Angle this down and then in. Come down along the side with a short line. Now we're going to move down, just mark off the bottom edge of the nose with a straight line. Let's go to the center point, angle this up and out toward the left and right. Now from the bottom tip of the nose, let's step down, mark off the mouth with a straight line going across. Now from these 2 points, we're going to curve the mouth, going out and then up. Now from the side, angle down and then in towards the bottom of the mouth. Draw a straight line going across. Now from the bottom of the mouth, step down, draw another line going across the lip. Now we're going to locate the chin down below, right about here. Draw another straight line going across. Let's go back up to the eye line and slope the head coming down and then in towards the jaw. So from this point, come down and then in to right about there, towards that bottom line. And it'll angle the jaw coming down towards the chin. Coming down and then in. Let's go back to that eye line, step up. Draw a straight line going out along the top of the ears. Come down and then in along the side. Angle the ears coming back down and in towards the jaw. Now this center line is going to be the edge of the hairline. So from the outside, step in, then the hair going out and then down towards the side. Now from the inside of the ear, let's step down, angle the head going up and then out towards that center line. Now from here, we're going to add the basic shape of the hair. Let's start from the inside, bend this down, and then out towards the side. Then from here, bend this in and then up towards the side of our circle. Let's go up to the center of the head, bend this out and up and in towards the side to create a point. Come down and in towards the middle. Let's go to the outside corner of the hair, bend this out and then up. Come down and then in. Now I'm going to add another main point along the side. From here, go across the line and then up. Bend this down and then in towards the center of the head. And now we're going to place some points in between each of these main points. Let's start from the center of the head, that is up and then down. Just work our way across towards the right. And then we're just going to go in between the hair points. Let's go back to the jaw. It's going to angle the neck, coming down and then out towards the bottom. From the top, step down, slope the shoulders, coming down and then out. Now, I'm going to go back and lightly erase some of these guidelines. Now, I'm going to use this rough sketch as a guide to help us refine the shape and add some more details. Now, I'd like to start with the eyes. So we start on this side. Just going to bend this in and then down. Just giving a little bit of curve to the eyes. And adding also a couple folds along the top. Just working our way along the bottom and outside. You can see that I create some folds along the outside of the eye and along the top. And then working our way back in. We can reposition the pupils if we need to. Just going to pull these up a little bit higher on the top. Add a small highlight circle on the top. And just going to lightly shade in the bottom of the pupils. I'm just going to add those markings across the face after we've drawn in the rest of the head. Separate the teeth. Add a curve across the bottom edge. I'm just going to add that second set of eyes along the bottom. Just going to lightly trace this out. And tuck the pupil in underneath. Now from here, it's going to work our way around the outside perimeter of the head, coming down towards the jaw. And we'll add some more shape to the ears. Now moving up, we're just going to add some more detail to the hair, starting along the edge of the hairline, adding some more points across the inside and working our way out. I also want to improve the volume of the hair, so we're going to go a little bit bigger along the top. Just extending the spikes along the side and working our way up. So I'm going to start back in the middle, just get the height. And now I'm going to go back and just loosely block in those markings across the face, starting in the center. And then just working our way out. Just going to darken up the inside. Now I'm just going to go in and add some light shading around the face, starting with the inside of the ears. And just working underneath the eyelid. And I'm just going to add a little bit of texture along the bottom edge of the hairline. So just adding these thick shadow lines going up and then out. And then from the sides. Now just adding a shadow underneath the head across the neck, and then blending that out towards the bottom. Now I'm going to finish off my drawing by adding some rough shadows across the collarbone, and always be sure to sign my artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Sukuna from Jujutsu Kaisen. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'll be posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.